In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Adobe Illustrator to create snow and a sky for your winter scene project. This is what your finished project will look like today, but eventually you will add snowflakes to it like this in a future video. Let's get started. First of all, go to File, New, click on Web, Common, title this Winter Scene, and put your name on it. Then click Create. The first thing that we're going to do is choose the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle to cover our work area. Next, I'm going to open Swatches, Window, Swatches, and I will open this side menu, go down to Open Swatch Library, and choose Gradients, Sky. I'm going to take my sky gradients and put them in the same panel with the other panels that I need. I'm going to take Symbols off and close it, and I will take this panel, put it over here with the other ones. I'm also going to remove Libraries and close it. So choose the first gradient, which is called Sky 1. And over here in my stroke and fill area, I can see that I need to swap these, so I'll use the swapper arrow and then set the stroke to none and click to bring the fill forward. Next, I need to change the gradient some. So go to Window and Gradient to open the gradient panel. First, change the type to radial, and we are going to add some snow onto this. So click the medium blue slider, move it over, click the dark blue slider, move it over, click down in this area to add a new slider, double click the color stop, and choose white. You can see that there's quite a harsh line between the colors, and I'd like to soften that a little bit. So what I'm going to do is click on this diamond here and drag it to the side to kind of smooth out that transition a little. And that looks a lot better to me. So I am going to close this because I'm finished with it and go over here to open the gradient tool. So the gradient tool shows some more options that I can change, and I also have this dashed line that's around the outside of the gradient, but I can't see all of it. So on the keyboard, hold down Control and click minus a few times until your project is small enough that you can see the whole thing. So the first thing that I'm going to do is click on this circle over here on the side and click it and drag it wider, and then click on this circle at the top and click it until it's kind of an ellipse shape. Now to move the gradient up, click on this circle right here and drag the gradient towards the top. So what I want is some snow down here at the bottom, and I want the sky to cover all of the edges here at the top. So I think I have a bit too much snow. I'm going to move this down and then make this a little bit wider until I have a nice coverage of blue at the top. So snow at the bottom and sky at the top. So now that I am finished with this, I'm going to go to Object, Lock, Selection, and on the keyboard, Control-0 makes that fit on the screen. Be sure to save your changes to your student drive because we'll be using this project for a future assignment. That's it for this video.